The numbers keep rising and the government is now worried that the future is not promising after the country recorded 147 new coronavirus cases in the last 24 hours.
147 people have tested positive out of 2,831 samples now tested. This means that Kenya now has 1,618 people who have now tested positive. The cumulative tests conducted so far is 70,172.
According to the Ministry of Health, 32 counties have so far been affected, with Nairobi recording the highest number at 835.
Infections are growing within the counties. 32 out of the 47 counties, Kiambu included, have so far recorded cases of the disease. This number accounts for more than 60% of the counties affected. Kiambu County has recorded 39 cases, placing it at number 4, behind Nairobi at 835, Mombasa at 490, and Kajiado at 65. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a worrying trend.
The new cases are spread out across at least 11 counties, with Nairobi leading by 90 cases, followed by Mombasa with 41 and Kiambu 3.
I'm also glad to inform you that today we have discharged 13 patients who have recovered from the disease, and we are always happy to hear that. So our total number of recoveries now stands at 421. On a sad note, however, we have lost 3 people.
Because we wanted to be dedicated fully to COVID, we realized there is need to have a fully operational ICU of 14 beds, and that will require some resources. Will require a radiology department because of X-ray and the related complications, an ultrasound equipment, and a renal unit so that we can be able to do dialysis and so on.
Health Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe, who had toured Kiambu, said 3 more people lost their lives over a similar period. Kagwe using the opportunity to implore on Kenyans not to let down their guard at almost the 11th hour, but adhere to set guidelines.
This may sound very simple and therefore easy to ignore, but experience from elsewhere has shown that they are the most effective ways to tackle this virus.
ICT Cabinet Secretary Joe Mosheru, who had accompanied Kagwe, urged Kenyans to heed the president's call to take personal responsibility in helping to contain the spread of coronavirus.
As a country, we must be together. The president is very clear that we need to all take responsibility. This is not a government responsibility, it's not a county government responsibility, it's for everybody.
With establishment of a separate isolation and treatment facility, Kiambu County will have an additional 200-bed capacity facility and an additional 14 capacity ICU units like this one. In the meantime, the Minister of Health continues to urge Kenyans to adhere to guidelines provided to prevent spread of COVID-19. Purity Museo, Channel 1 News, Kiambu County.